So if you have a mortgage, you must know the difference between a home loan redraw facility and an offset account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ari, and in today's video I'm going to compare the difference between a redraw facility and offset account so you can make some informed decision based on your personal circumstances. So let's get into this. So today, the way I'm going to present it today, I'm going to just explain what is redraw facility and an offset account first, and then I'm going to demonstrate you an example that will help you to understand more easily. So what is a redraw facility and how does this work? So a redraw facility is home loan features that allow borrower to make extra repayment on their home loan and redraw that at any later date when they need the cash. So now if you have a mortgage and you've been making that minimum monthly repayment, and at any given time you may want to decide you want to make some additional payments, so redraw facility will actually help you to do that. So it is designed to to make sure that you can pay some additional repayment or any kind of lump sum or bulk repayment to your mortgage using that facility. So this will help you to reduce the interest charge on your home loan and help you to pay down your home loan a lot quicker than what it is normally 30 years. Now and also if you need that extra repayment that you have made, if you need that, if you want to buy a car or go for a holiday, you can always transfer that fund and use that money. But just keep in mind that you can only withdraw the extra payment that you have made to your redraw facility. So this is what is redraw, and what is it then offset? How does this work and how is it different from the redraw facility? Now if you put it simply, offset account is it can be a transactional account or a savings account, which is directly linked with your home loan account. So offset account is designed to help you to reduce the interest charge on your home loan and give you easy access to your cash at any time. So I'm going to show you that example, so that will help you to understand more easily what's the actually main difference between that two. Now let's just pretend let's just pretend we have a home loan of $400,000 for this example, and this is a home loan for $400,000 and that has got a redraw facility on that, and we're going to use the same home loan amount, which is $400,000, and with an offset facility on this. So now so let's just pretend now that you have $20,000 you kind of saved up, and you wanna now pay that $20,000 towards your home loan. So obviously now we have two options. You can either use the redraw facility or an offset account. So we're gonna use I'm gonna show you how this redraw works first. So now you decide that you want to pay down your home loan $20,000. What do you need to do? You need to grab the $20,000 and transfer that $20,000 to your home loan. So the moment you transfer, what will happen here, that $20,000 will come and sit here in this home loan, and once it is in this account, it's going to reduce the balance down to $380,000 towards your home loan. So what it means, instead of paying the interest on that full balance, which is $400,000, you will be only paying interest on the lesser amount, which is $380,000, because you got that $20,000 sitting in your redraw facility. So, and for example, like if you want to make just not $20,000, if you want to make more than this, if maybe you want to make some regular payments to your redraw facility, you can always make that regular payment, which will help you to reduce the balance of your loan over time. Now just remember, you can always withdraw that extra payment that you have made up to the original loan balance at that time. So you can always withdraw the extra that you have paid. So this is how redraw work. Now we're gonna now see how offset is different from that and how offset work. Now, as I mentioned before, offset account is simply a transactional account, or it can be a savings account. So what it means, with this home loan, there will be a new account which will be linked with your home loan. So let's just pretend this is a transactional account. Now, and you have that $20,000. What are you going to do? You're going to transfer the $20,000 in this transactional account. So what's going to happen here is, the moment you transfer the $20,000 in your transactional account, because this account is actually linked with that home loan account, so by doing that, that $20,000 will offset the interest that you paid on your total home loan. So instead of paying the interest on the full $400,000 loan, you will be only charged interest on the the lesser amount, which is $380K. So this is how it offset work. But the money will always be sitting on that transactional account, not in this home loan account. So for example, if you want to decide to put that $50,000 into this loan account, so what that will do, instead of paying home loan balance on 400, I'm just giving you another example. Instead of using 20, if you use 50, you're gonna only pay interest on $350,000 there. So you're gonna only, sorry, my handwriting, sorry, excuse me. So yes, you're gonna pay only $350,000. Now I hope that makes sense. Now the primary focus of this both account is actually to help you to reduce the interest charge on your home loan and pay down the quicker. End of the day, they both work in a similar fashion. It's pretty much same thing they do. The purpose is same, but how does it differ? Like, obviously they got two names, one called Redraw and the other one called Offset. There should be some difference there. So I think the main difference between that two is the ease of accessing your money. What I mean, that the flexibility of accessing that extra repayment that you make either to the Redraw or Offset. So I'm going to tell you that how is it differ. So say for example, if you have, like, we're just using the same example. So if you have, say, $20,000 in Redraw and you want to withdraw that cash, what will happen, you may need to call the bank if you don't have access online banking. So what will happen, that could take 1 or 2 business days to process before it can be transferred to another account. And the second thing is, a bank may have some limit attached to that it can only withdraw a portion of this, or maybe a daily limit on that. Or some lenders can also attach some sort of fees if you want to withdraw that Redraw facilities and transfer that fund from your home loan to another account. So it's just not as flexible as the offset account. Now with an offset account, because the money is sitting in a different transactional account, it can be accessible at any time. Like, it can take minute if you want to buy something or if you want to pay for a car, for example. So and you don't have to go through all these hassles with the bank if you have the money in Redraw. So offset is definitely more easily accessible and more flexible compared to the Redraw. Now just remember, in offset, depending on the bank, there can be two type of offset account. One is a 100% offset account, where you can fully offset your total home loan balance. Like, for example, if you have a $400,000 home loan and you say you have $400,000 cash, you may win the lotto or something, I don't know. So if you want to decide that to put $400,000 into your transactional account, it's going to offset the full amount and you won't be charged anything for any interest. You will just pay down the balance. So, or you can have, some banks offer you only a partial offset. What it means, on a $400,000 loan, you can only offset a portion of that, maybe 50% of that balance you can only offset, which is in terms of $200,000. So that can be, offset can be two types. One is full offset, one is a partial offset. So just remember that. So I think this is the main difference between that two. It's just the flexibility and just the the ease of accessing your money. So now I think that's all from me. I hope you understand how these two work. Now what should you choose? If wanna, now it actually depends on you how you want to manage your money. So I would say, if you are a person don't really think too much about spending money, so you you want that flexibility of accessing your money at any time, obviously offset is the answer for you, where you can have more flexible options to choose to use your money. But if you are a person that you really want to save and pay that home loan balance quicker and save something on interest, and you don't really want to think about too much about that money on your mortgage account, so Redraw is the answer for you. So once you turn, you can once you transfer that money, you just forget about it. So but end of the day, it is up to you and how you want to manage your money. So I think that's all from me today. I just wanted to do another video on the difference between Redraw and offset. I hope you have a very clear understanding now how does this two work. If you want to know more, you can always put a comments there, and if you have any tips, you can also share your experience. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I will highly recommend you if you want to do that. If you want to get more tips on home loan and investment loans, or any things with the mortgage, you can subscribe my channel, because I'm going to come up with more videos like this that will help you to understand more about mortgage and how does this work. And yes, as always, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate that and the time that you took to watch my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye.